I wash my hands before cooking. I wash my hands before cooking. I put on my apron. I put on my apron. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I take out the ingredients. I take out the ingredients. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I peel the potatoes. I peel the potatoes. I chop the vegetables. I chop the vegetables. I cut the onions. I cut the onions. I slice the bread. I slice the bread. I crush the garlic. I crush the garlic. I open the cupboard. I open the cupboard. I get a bowl. I get a bowl. I break the eggs into the bowl. I break the eggs into the bowl. I measure the flour. I measure the flour. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I heat water in the kettle. I heat water in the kettle. I boil water for pasta. I boil water for pasta. I fry the eggs. I fry the eggs. I toast the bread. I toast the bread. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I taste the food. I taste the food. I add some salt. I add some salt. I put the pizza in the oven. I put the pizza in the oven. I grill the meat. I grill the meat. I steam the rice. I steam the rice. I turn off the stove. I turn off the stove. I make a cup of tea. I make a cup of tea. I brew some coffee. I brew some coffee. I take out the milk. I take out the milk. I pour juice into a glass. I pour juice into a glass. I squeeze a lemon. I squeeze a lemon. I add ice cubes to the drink. I add ice cubes to the drink. I set the table. I set the table. I take out the plates. I take out the plates. I arrange the forks and spoons. I arrange the forks and spoons. I put napkins on the table. I put napkins on the table. I serve the food. I serve the food. I clear the table. I clear the table. I put the leftovers in the fridge. I put the leftovers in the fridge. I wash the dishes in the sink. I wash the dishes in the sink. I dry the dishes with a cloth. I dry the dishes with a cloth. I put the dishes away. I put the dishes away. I clean the counter. I clean the counter. I wipe the table. I wipe the table. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I mop the kitchen floor. I mop the kitchen floor. I empty the trash can. I empty the trash can. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I wash the dishcloth. I wash the dishcloth. I dry my hands with a towel. I dry my hands with a towel.